everybody is waiting for very long time has finally happened today. Mazi Nnamdi don finally broke the table. No be small thing, no. The fearless man himself, Ohamadike, one of Biafra, Ofonye Neshiri Nigeria government, Mazi Nnamdi don finally talk, say that anybody where they cause insecurity for inside Southeast, he say make they leave am, say 2 minutes. If that person no stop, may know wetin cause am. Mazi Nnamdi don finally talk say that IPOB is never involved in any violence and cannot be involved. This one they happen today. The man said that the federal government will be federal government of Nigeria no fit jail am and they no go fit try, they no fit defeat am for their own court. For their face, so now they tell them that man a fearless man. However, I'm going to play you the video, make you watch. I don't want to talk too much. Just watch the video from beginning to end before we come back. Come continue.
It cannot go free. And they're doing it because I'm in DSS. That's what if I said no idiot can try this rubbish. And they know it very well. They know it very well. And I suspect that some people in government are complicit. Yes. They are making money with insecurity.
That's correct.
They're making money with it.
We know the law. My team here is that they are more than perfect. They know what to do, and that's okay. Did you get it? Yes. Fast one. Yes. No, I'm not relaxed until we get a fruit and put in together. I'm not relaxed. We know the law. My team here is that they are more than perfect. They know what to do, and that's okay. And we're going to prevail ultimately. Because justice must prevail.
He's still in the dog.
The court also
we'll give you a woman from Southeast.
Depending on the strategy. They are using it to do experiment at DSS. Exactly. I don't see it. There is no way we're going to allow that to happen. My rights must be for justice. Yes. My right to fair hearing must be observed.
They brought him to Kenya into this dock and allowed him to talk without his lawyer.
And he's only fighting for justice.
Yes. I have congenital heart failure. Congestive heart failure is called. From the medication, you can tell. So they're basically trying to keep me alive. So when they calculate that I'm about to give up, that my heart's about to pack up, they will now say go. So when I go outside, I will die outside. That's what they're trying to do.
The medications they've been giving to you,
yes.
It's
not working. If it's working, why would I have all these lumps underneath my...
And he has written a petition to the Nigerian Medical Association where they brought one quack doctor, somebody who is not a doctor, to treat him.
To come and try and treat him.
But up to now, they have nobody.
They don't know what they're doing. And they know they don't know what they're doing. Or else, why would I have this?
As long as it remains in the DSS custody,
there will be no trial.
He's seeking for a non-custodial arrangement by the court. Because, exactly, I don't mind house arrest. Because I'll defeat them. In this court, I'll defeat the federal government of Nigeria. Yeah. The whole world will see it. Where is the feasible felon? Where is it? All these years, journalists are having feasible treason. What is treason today? It's gone. It's some way this terrorism charge will go. I'm thinking of another capital offense that can charge me. Maybe, I don't know, impregnating the wife of somebody. I don't know. The federal government, they know I'm not guilty. My only guilt is that I'm fighting for my people. And I will fight for it.
For justice.
For justice and fairness and equity.
Advice to the people of those who are using IPOB to commit crime.
Using IPOB to commit crime is a thing. Yes. It's not part of this family.
Repeat it again.
Our family is based on 4 cardinal points. You must be without fear before your enemies. You must speak the truth always, even if it leads to your death. You must help the poor and those who cannot help themselves, and be of good character that God may love thee. That's who we are.
So what to be your words to those out there in the East who are killing your
that they are criminals. They are criminals. They are not part of this family. We are called a family for a reason. We've come to save our people, not to enslave them. Anybody conducting any type of activity that contravenes the welfare of our people is a criminal. I must be dealt with.
Wait, when you repeat this one.
Anybody who is involved in any form of criminality, any form of violence or subversion in the name of Biafra is not part of this family. Our family is noble. It's called IPOB. It's all over the world.
So you condemn anything that has to do with killing in the southeast?
Why would I kill
violence?
People have sacrificed my parents for them. Why would I want to kill any other person after that?
So anybody who's committing crime in the name of IPOB is on his own.
He's a criminal. I've said it. He's a criminal and should be dealt with adequately.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Today is Tuesday. We are covering one nation. Today is Tuesday. We are covering one nation.
My people, share this video. Share as many as you can because things are happening. And do not forget to drop your own opinion for inside comment section regarding wetin Mazi Nnamdi talk for inside this video. Share the video as e dey read. My people, wetin we wan talk for here na be say that if Mazi Nnamdi is your leader and give you order to do something, you must do it. If you are not doing it, that means you are disrespecting Mazi Nnamdi. Something is behind you that we don't know. And let me tell you, Biafrans, wey be say maybe that guess of some things wey dey happen for inside the struggle, and you can't write something. Somebody come, they challenge you, they write nonsense. Put for your comment, track that person. You go understand say that person na Funani. That person is a Funani. I have stand up so many times to check people, more than 7 or 8 people, or even more than 57. That are writing nonsense comments. This when you check them, you find that they are Funani. Most of them mistaken. They don't use Igbo name. Some of them use their real name. Some of them use their real profile. So how come are they now talking something about Biafra and fighting one particular people? This is a question. Go Sh0ck. However, share this video and leave your own opinion as it dey hot.